I really like what you did with this reflection because I like to run at night.
Wow.
Feel airy.
I feel
reminds me of moon shoes
yeah,
a little bit.
like a little.
A
lot of sole action. You don't want it to be too clunky.
I'm like a mid-foot toe strike. I feel like I could have a heel strike and it would still be okay.
They're weird, but they're also called Cloud Monster.
I spent many years to become the ninja I am. It's a little different.
軽いし、グリップもありますね。
It does push me forward, and I like that.
Yeah, these ones feel great. Springiness to them, the stack height is beautiful.
Oh, Swiss.
My best monster impression would be like, ooh. Wait, hold on. You know?